Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are here because we are going to be unboxing my May Stitch Fix box. Technically this was my April box, but because the box arrived over a week late, it came yesterday, and so I'm going to call this my May box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. You're going to be paired with a stylist, and he or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want, and then you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home. You're going to decide what you like and what you don't like, and if you keep one item from your box, then that $20 styling fee does get applied to the cost of that one item. If you like all 5 items, then you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, plus you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which is really nice. For this box, I basically asked for some casual pieces because I'm not going into work. I'm a teacher, I'm working from home, and so let's see what I got this month. When you open up the box, you get the directions of what to do next. Here's that prepaid mailer that I talked about, and so you're going to use this to return any items that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges for different sizes, those items will go in this bag. You're going to get an envelope, and inside the envelope you're going to get your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 21 for me. And you're also going to get a note from your stylist and a style card. And so my stylist has been Kara, and I still have her with everything going on. I'm happy about that. So it says, "Hello, lovely Jennifer. Welcome to your April fix. How are you and your family doing? I've been thinking about you. My dad works in a school district and keeps me updated on all the school closures. I'm sorry to hear that you aren't currently working. Well, technically I'm working, but I'm working from home. Hopefully soon things will start to get better with COVID-19. I appreciate you letting me know that you'd like to see more casual styles as well as keeping it budget friendly. I took a peek at your Pinterest board to see what styles you've been loving for spring. I know how you love fresh floral patterns, so I had to include the Mason and Belle top. Then I threw in some classic stripes and color blocking options in a lightweight rayon blend. I just bought myself a pair of black tennis shoes and think you'll love the memory foam comfort of the New Balance sneaker. Warm wishes, XX Kara." And so that was another thing I asked for, possibly a pair of black tennis shoes if she can find them. I have my bundle, but I also have the shoe bag. So we'll start with the shoe bag. And so the tag says that they are the New Balance REVlite slip-on sneaker in black, size 9. And here's what they look like. I've been looking for some tennis shoes to wear when I'm walking in my neighborhood and things like that, and I like a nice pair of black tennis shoes to wear with just all my different outfits in the spring and summer. They're super light, which is really nice. So they're just a basic black sneaker. I think those look nice. Hopefully they'll fit. And here is my bundle. Let's see what we got. So the first item on top of my bundle is the 9 Britton Levie knot front knit top in olive. And it is super soft. So it is a basic olive top, short sleeves, very, very soft. It's got a rounded neck, and it has that cute little twist on the front. I do not own anything with a twist or a tie on the front, so I'll be interested to try that on, but it feels super soft and very comfortable, and it looks long enough. I like my tops to be a little bit longer, so that's really cute, and I love olive. Next is Mason and Belle, the Kinglake mixed material top in burgundy, and it looks like this, and she's right, I do love a floral print. The top is really soft and silky, and it has a little cuffed little arm sleeve, and so the bottom feels like a polyester. I love the colors. Here's a up close of the floral print. I love that. So that is super cute. I think I'm gonna like that. Next is the pink clover Kinley button shoulder knit tank in pink, and it looks like that. And I love pink clover because it has such soft materials, and it feels really soft, and I like color blocking, so it has kind of like almost like a heathered gray and cream at the top, and a heathered pink in the middle, and then it has like a gray on the bottom. So that is really cute and casual. So she's doing a great job of sending me the casual pieces I asked for. And then last but not least, I have the Liverpool Chloe Capri rolled cuff jean in indigo, and it's a size 10, and they are super stretchy, which is good because I have been fluctuating in weight with all this going on, but it is a cute capri pant. It has a rolled, and you can unroll it, a rolled cuff at the bottom, just a dark wash. Yeah, so those are super cute. Just a plain, it is a pull-on style, which I like, and just a plain back. Now we're gonna go and do a try on. Be right back. All right, so I'm back with the first two pieces, and the first thing I have is this Mason & Belle Kinglake mixed material top in burgundy, and I think this is really cute. I love the floral print. I love the soft, let me tuck that in. I love the soft feel on the top, and like I said, this part from the bottom down is polyester. It hips at a good length. It comes a little bit, just a touch maybe, longer in the back, which is good because it covers my bottom, which is something I like. But I love the colors and I love the floral print, and this is a nice casual piece for me to wear. I could wear this to work with a pair of dress capris and be fine. So I really like this top. On the bottom I have the Liverpool Chloe Capri rolled cuff jean in indigo, and they're a size 10. And thank goodness that their pants are stretchy because I was worried it wouldn't be able to fit, but it fits fine. Like I said, it has a lot of stretch in it, which is good. It has that cute little cuff at the bottom. So these are super cute. And like I said, thank goodness for stretch because my weight has been fluctuating during this quarantine. I'll be right back with the next top. All right guys, I'm back with the third item, and this is the pink clover Kinley button shoulder knit top in pink, and it is the color block top, and it's got the kind of heathered light cream and gray, the pink, and then the dark gray at the bottom. It has a nice length, comes down on the front, covers my bottom. It's got the cute little button detail on the one shoulder. It's very soft. I think this would be really good for spring and summer. What do you guys think? I'll be right back with the next item. All right guys, so I'm back with the last two items, and the first item is a Britton Levie knot front knit top in olive, and that's this cute little casual olive striped top. It's very soft. Non-Britton items usually are. It's got the cute little twist or knot right here on the front. I like how it comes up a little bit shorter here, but it comes down longer on the side, and it also is still long enough to cover my bottom, so I like that. And I think it pairs really well with these cute little capris. So the last item are these sneakers, and this is the New Balance Footwear New Balance REVlite sneakers in black, and they are so comfortable. They're so light. I think what I'm going to do is try to get you guys down a little bit closer. I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back to talk to you about these sneakers, and these are the New Balance REVlite sneakers in black, and this is just to give you a closer up view, but they are just a basic black sneaker, but they are super light and super comfortable, and they fit perfectly. I think that they will pair well with whatever I want to wear this spring or summer. So I'll be right back to talk to you about prices and to do a recap. All right guys, I'm back to talk to you about some prices and to do a quick recap. And so we're going to start off with the first item, which was the Mason & Belle Kinglake mixed material top in burgundy, and that was this top right here. I love the cute little floral print. I love how soft it is. It's really cute, and it was $36. Next was the Liverpool Chloe Capri rolled cuff jean in indigo, size 10, and like I said, thank goodness that these jeans have stretch in them, because with this quarantine, I feel like I've put on some weight, and so they fit really well, and I like the pull-up style and the dark wash. And of course, those are the most pricey item in the box at $78. But I think Liverpool clothing is worth it, so. Next is the Britton Levie knot front knit top in olive, and that was this top right here. And it is so soft and comfortable, so it is definitely a keeper. And this one is one of the cheapest items at $34. So this is beautiful. I love it. It's so comfortable. Next is the New Balance Footwear, the New Balance REVlite sneakers in black, and that was these. And these are so comfortable and light, and it says it on the tag. I'm so comfortable, and I would agree with that. I'm definitely gonna be keeping these, and they were $64.95. And then the last item was the pink CLOVER Kinley button shoulder knit top in pink, and that was this one. And it was also really soft and comfortable and cute. These are all perfect. My stylist does a wonderful job of listening to my request, and I requested casual, comfortable items and a pair of black sneakers, and she did all of that for me. The cost of this top is $34. So my stylist pick subtotal was $246.95. The buy all discount is 25%, and that would take off $61.74. And I definitely am gonna be keeping everything. The order subtotal is $185.21. But I do have credit. I had 2 people sign up on my $50 referral link, and so I get to take $100 off. Shipping is free, and so my order subtotal for the whole box is $85.21, and you can't beat that. I am gonna leave my husband's link down in the description box below because I think his $50 referral link is still active. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments boxes below. And until next time, bye guys.